Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Hope everyone will be happy mood with their families. Dear viewer, come closer to me because today I brought something special for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet planter cover. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your home decor crochet planter covers. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video. A crochet planter cover is a decorative and functional item that adds style to potted plants while providing several practical benefits. Here are some benefits of using crochet planter covers. The first and the main one is aesthetic appeal. Crochet planter cover add a unique handmade touch to plant pots, enhancing the overall decor of a room. Customizable design. You can choose the color, pattern and size to match your interior style and personal preferences. Eco-friendly. Made from natural yarn or recycled materials, crochet planter cover are eco-friendly option for plant decoration. Protection for pots. They help protect the pot from damage, preventing scratches or chip on delicate surfaces. Insulation. Crochet covers can help insulate plants, keeping the soil cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Preventing water stains. They catch excess water from watering the plant, preventing water stains on furniture or flowers. Add texture. The intricate texture of crochet adds depth and interest to your plant display. Breathability. Crochet covers are breathable, which allows proper air circulation around the plant pot. Easy to wash. Most crochet planter covers are easy to remove and clean, helping maintain the plant's cleanliness. Weight distribution. Crochet covers add lightness to the heavy pot, making it easier to move and reposition. Hide ugly pots. If your plant pot is plain or unattractive, a crochet cover can disuse it, creating a more appealing look. Affordable dye option. Making your own crochet cover can be an affordable way to decorate your plants without buying expensive decorative pots. Perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Crochet covers can be used for both indoor and outdoor plants, adding style wherever you place them. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like. One another thing which I'm always looking from your side. If you have any suggestion or any comments about my collections, very easily, it's free for you, it's free for everyone. You can make beautiful comments by your own hands about my video collections. If you need to change something or you wanna see some specific item about crocheting, just write an SMS. I will try my best to reply your messages, and also I will try my best to collect such type of collections which you really like. Personalized gift. Handmade crochet planter covers can be thoughtful and personal gift for plant lovers. Stabilized pots. They can provide a little extra grip, keeping pots stable on surfaces. especially if they are placed on smooth or slippery furniture. Durability. Crochet covers are generally made from durable materials that can last through wear and tear. Reduce root. The breathable nature of crochet cover prevents excess moisture from building up around the pot, reducing the risk of root. Size flexibility. Crochet cover can be adjusted to fit pots of various shapes and sizes, ensuring a perfect fit. Add colors. You can add a burst of color to your space by crocheting covers in bright or contrasting hues. Keep soil contained. Crochet cover can help the soil in the pot, especially for hanging planters or smaller pots. Support for hanging planters. A crochet cover can act as both a decorative feature and additional support for hanging planters. Promotes sustainability. Using a crochet cover can reduce the need for plastic or disposable plant covering, promoting a more sustainable way to decorate your plants. Seasonal theme. You can crochet different cover for each season, that is, pastel cover for spring, dark tone for fall, refreshing the look of your plant throughout the year. Increases plant visibility. A well-made crochet cover can help highlight the plant itself, focusing attention to the greenery while enhancing the decor. Thank you very much for watching.